On the topic of factor affecting rates, आज जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वो है अभिक्रिया वेग को प्रभावित करने वाले कारक काइनेटिक्स के नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को हम आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं। फैक्टर्स फैक्टर्स affecting rate, velocity of the affecting velocity of the reaction अभिक्रिया वेग को प्रभावित करने वाले अभिक्रिया वेग को प्रभावित करने वाले कारक What are the factors which influence rate of the reactions? Since rate or velocity of the reaction play the important role to define to explain the kinetics, and how does it influence the reactant and product of the reactions? तो first one factor पहला वाला जो कारक है I am going to write on the blackboard here, that is of temperature. First one factors, that is of temperature, that is of तापमान, first one that is of temperature. Generally which है on increasing the temperature rate or velocity of the reaction increases. सामान्यतः ये कहा जाता है तापमान पर रासायनिक अभिक्रिया का वेग बढ़ता है, लेकिन इसके पीछे व्हाट इज द लॉजिक, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट टू एनहांस रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शंस. वी डिस्कस इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल हियर. इट जनरली ऑन इंक्रीजिंग दैट इज ऑफ टेम्परेचर, ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ टेम्परेचर दैट इज ऑफ रेट दैट इज ऑफ इंक्रीजेस हियर. In order to explain about the first factor, that is of temperature, we discuss here the heating process of water here, that is of heating process here, that is of water molecule, that is of H2O, that is of H2 molecule, that is of heating process. This means that is of heating, that is of process. On heating, on increasing, that is of here. In this case, on increasing the temperature, this water molecule will hit to this, it will hit to this one, and it will hit to this one. So that three types of the degree of freedom exist here. तीन प्रकार की स्वतंत्रता की कोटि जो होती है वो उत्पन्न होती है. That is of translational, rotational, that is of vibrational. ट्रांसलेशनल स्थानांतरित गति, रोटेशनल घूर्णन गति, वाइब्रेशनल कंपन गति, ये तीनों मॉलिक्यूल्स डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम्स मिलकर के it will totally increase the value of that is of kinetic energy. जो भी गति ऊर्जा के मान को here on hitting this device, translational, rotational, vibrational and rotational vibration degree of freedoms do exist here. So by the combination of 3 degree of freedom to increase the value of kinetic energy, in other words we can say तीनों स्वतंत्रता की कोटि स्थानांतरित घूर्णन और कंपन ऊर्जाएं आपस में मिलकर के संयुक्त रूप से गतिज ऊर्जा को मान को बढ़ाते हैं और गति हो जाएगी मान को बढ़ाने के पश्चात रासायनिक प्रतिक्रिया का जो वेग है वेलोसिटी उसका मान बढ़ता है। अकॉर्डिंग टू द RNAs ऑन इंक्रीजिंग द टेम्परेचर बाय 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस तापमान की किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन में वृद्धि करने पर जब इट हैज ऑब्जर्व्ड हियर रेट बिकम्स जस्ट इट इज डबल between 2 to 3 and this ratio is known as that is of Kt plus A divided by that is of Kt becomes the rate between 3 it is known as that is of temperature that is of coefficient जिसको बोला जाता है ये तापमान कहलाता है, ये तापमानक कहलाता है। इसी वजह से प्रतिक्रिया में यदि उसका तापमान जो है अगर 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस से बढ़ा जाए then the ratio of Kt plus 10 K denotes here that is the rate constant here and Kt rate constant at 3 degree Celsius of temperature here T plus 10 rate constant at T plus 10 degree Celsius of temperature the ratio of Kt plus 10 divisible by Kt to give the value of twice to thrice. This ratio is known as that is of temperature coefficient. Another one quantitative relation is also existing here. It will be totally given by that is of RNS equation. RNS equation mainly concerned with the quantitative relationship between rate constant and that is of temperature. And the RNS equation I am writing here which gives the directly quantitative that is of relationship between rate constant or rate or between temperature. I am writing here on the blackboard वेग स्थिरांक और तापमान के बीच में क्या संबंध होता है। RNS इक्वेशन के आधार पर हम टेम्परेचर के इस फैक्टर को जो है एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं। RNS इक्वेशन आई एम राइटिंग हियर जो सीधी डायरेक्ट जाहिर सी बात है कि जो RNS इक्वेशन आई एम राइटिंग हियर दैट इज ऑफ RNS that is of equation here K is equals to A e to the power minus EA upon that is of RT put down here that is of where RNS equation where K denotes that is of velocity constant here A denotes velocity constant A denotes here any constant A denotes here any constants any constant EA denotes here that is of EA denotes here that is of energy of activation सक्रिय ऊर्जा EA denotes energy of activation सक्रिय ऊर्जा T denotes here that is of temperature. Equation number 1 show the direct relation between rate constant in other words rate along with that is of temperature और रेट पर वेलोसिटी ऑफ द रिएक्शन पर टेम्परेचर का क्या इफेक्ट होता है इसको हम इम्पोर्टेंट इक्वेशन के द्वारा एक्सप्लेन किया जा सकता है जो हम पर नॉन फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज आई हैव मेंशन हियर नाउ टेक द लॉग ऑफ लेट अस सिंपलीफाई फर्दर हियर टेक द लॉग ऑफ इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फर्दर हियर दैट इज लेट अस कम्स आउट टू हियर नाउ टेक द लॉग ऑफ लेट अस प्रोसीड हियर नाउ take the log that is of E base in equation number 1 that is of we have that is of ln k is equals to ln a e to the power minus EA upon that is of RT. Put down equation number 2 on simplifying ln k is equals to ln a minus EA upon that is of RT. Equation number that is of 3. On solving further, on solving this relation take the log of both the sides. Question number 1. Now let us move further here. That is of index of 10 base using that is of 10 base of log. We have equation number 3. Equation number that is of 3 log 2.303 log k is equals to 2.303. That is of a log a minus EA upon RT or log k is equals to log a, that is of minus EA upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon T. Equation number 1, 2, 3, and that is of 4. This equation gives the quantitative relation y is equals to c plus mx, that is of straight line equation, that is of straight line equation. Straight line equation here. Equation number 4, it gives the relation between the influence of temperature or that is of that constant k. Now a graph will be plotted between log k as a coordinate y-axis and reciprocal of temperature x is equal to t. We will deliver it, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.